A lot of people suggest that HIIT is the key to burning a lot of body fat, but is this necessarily true? Let's just say right now, a great thing about high intensity interval training is that it's fantastic for increasing aerobic and anaerobic fitness. So it's really good for improving cardiovascular health. I love doing high intensity interval training. I quite enjoy it. I like breathing hard, and I like when my body's fully engaged in activity, because it helps me focus about only that activity. I forget about everything else, and after intense training, I always feel fantastic. I got a lot of endorphins running through my body, and my mood is just generally increased tremendously. So I really enjoy doing high intensity interval training, and it feels nice to challenge yourself, to push yourself, and when you complete a hard workout, you feel really good about yourself. A typical HIIT workout, let's say for example Tabata, which involves doing a 4-minute workout. So for example, you do 8 sets of hard activity, and each set is separated by, let's say, 10 seconds of rest or active rest. So it's a very short workout, and you can get tremendous increases in fitness from it. But does it burn a ton of body fat? Well, let's say a typical very high intensity workout like Tabata, you'll burn, let's say, a couple hundred calories from the workout and in the next 24 to 48 hours as a result of something such as EPOC, excess post-oxygen consumption. So you'll burn a couple hundred calories, but I can easily burn 3 to 4 times as many calories as a result of playing different sports for, say, 1 hour, or doing other exercise for 1 hour. So let's say for example today I did approximately 25 minutes of running, which consisted of some slow-paced running and a lot more intense running. And now I'm just doing a cool down walk. I love walking after workouts. I just find it very relaxing, and it also helps to increase the calorie burn from the workout. So I'll do this for, I don't know, maybe 15-20 minutes. One problem with high intensity interval training is some people really don't enjoy doing it. And if you don't enjoy doing something, you're not going to really want to do it that often. Which brings me to the next point about frequency. High intensity interval training, a lot of people find it very difficult to recover from. So let's say for example you do one high intensity workout a week, and you don't enjoy doing it, you don't look forward to it. 2, you find it hard to recover from. So maybe in the days afterwards, you're not even going to feel like doing any exercise. As a result, you would have been a lot better off in terms of burning calories, in terms of fat loss, in terms of even possibly boosting health from just doing some maybe less intense exercise, such as walking for maybe 30 minutes several times a week, or maybe playing some sport. So yes, Tabata workouts, for example, high intensity workouts can burn a lot of calories in a short period of time. But if you're doing them infrequently, or prevents you from doing exercise, it might not be the best option in terms of fat loss and even health. You might just be better off doing more moderate cardio or exercise several times a week. Or you can do what I often do. I'll combine high intensity interval training with different intensities. Some days if I'm short on time, I might just do a very intense workout. Other days, if I have more time like today, I'll do a mix of intensities, some very high intensity with much lower intensities. Or even in one workout, say for example, 20-minute jump rope session for example, I might do 30 seconds of a hard jump rope movement followed by a minute or 2 of easier skipping, and then I'll repeat that until the clock rings, maybe after 20 minutes, 25 minutes. So you can incorporate high intensity interval training to get the benefits of the aerobic and anaerobic fitness improvements, while also extending the workouts, extending the calorie burn by doing some less intense cardio. One reason that high intensity interval trainings have been suggested to burn body fat is because it's important to note that some studies do show fat loss benefit using high intensity interval training. But what is often not talked about is, unlike a Tabata workout, which only takes 4 minutes, or some other HIIT training protocols, the studies that showed some fat loss, they were a lot longer in duration. So for example, some of the studies that I've seen that produced some fat loss consisted of doing over 50 sets of 8-second sprints on a bicycle with 12 seconds of active rest between each set. So that's quite a longer workout than a typical maybe 4-minute high intensity interval training. So as that study shows, yes, you can definitely get fat loss benefits from doing HIIT, but you got to make the workouts longer. Or you could just do, as I said, some shorter HIIT workouts combined with more or less intense workouts. So for example, maybe do some sprinting, do some hard jump rope, and then do some maybe gentle walking afterwards, or just do some easier cardio. All right, I really hope you find this video helpful. If you have any questions, leave them below down in the comment section. All right, until next time, thanks for watching.